Well, here we have it. Getting sick from Omicron protects vaccinated individuals against a wide range of variants better than a booster, studies find. I'm Grid 7, and we're going to go through this little article right here and just watch the mental gymnastics going on here about vaccines and all this other type stuff here. With Omicron subvariants causing COVID cases to jump nationwide, 2 new studies offer a small consolation for vaccinated individuals who suffer breakthrough infections. The infections leave you with protections that may be more effective than those offered by a second booster. So let me get this straight here. What you're saying is you need to be vaccinated and get Omicron to be better protected. But I thought the vaccines and the boosters were supposed to do that. Okay. We'll continue on. One study was conducted by German biotech company BioNTech SE, and the second by the University of Washington in collaboration with San Francisco headquartered Vir Biotechnology. Both studies investigated the immune responses of various groups based on their vaccination and infection status. Currently, adults 50 and over are eligible for a second booster shot, according to the CDC, along with immunocompromised individuals over 12 and those who received 2 doses of Johnson & Johnson's Janssen vaccine. Looking at the vaccinated individuals who had a breakthrough Omicron infection, BioNTech found that these individuals showed a better B-cell response than individuals who had been boosted but not infected. B cells, a type of white blood cell, are a component of the body's immune system that helps produce antibodies. The University of Washington study compared blood samples of individuals who had been vaccinated and then caught Delta or Omicron, those who had caught COVID first and were then vaccinated, those who had been vaccinated but never infected, and those who were infected and never vaccinated. Like they have all that. The study found that vaccinated individuals who caught Omicron produced antibodies that formed a formidable defense against other variants of the virus. Unvaccinated people who caught Omicron did not have a similarly robust and protective immune response. However, any protections, no matter how strong, only last so long. The immunity of both boosted and previously infected individuals wear off after several months. Again, this is one of the things. Booster. It's going to go on forever and ever and ever. You're going to be lining up every 4 or 6 months for a new booster shot in preparation. And they're the thing with the boosters, they're never getting ahead of it either. No, they're always reacting. It's react. In preparation for a new, larger surge expected in the fall, the CDC updated its vaccine guidance for boosters last week. It suggested that eligible individuals who've been infected in the last 3 months should consider holding off and getting a booster. If you are eligible, can you wait? Individuals for whom a second booster would deter them from getting further doses in the near future should also consider postponing. A second booster may be more important in the fall of 2022, or if a new vaccine for future COVID variants become available. Dr. Anthony Fauci first commented on the possibility of a fall surge in April. Earlier this month, the White House warned that a surge could double the total number of infections the U.S. has recorded so far. To date, the U.S. reported over 82 million cases. Additional federal COVID relief funds are currently locked up in Congress after President Joe Biden's initial $22 billion package for boosters and variant-specific vaccines was whittled to $10 billion. A White House memo from March 15th said that lack of COVID funding will have a severe consequence that we will not be equipped to deal with a future surge. And this is the same White House who, back in December 2021, basically said, if you're unvaccinated, prepare for a winter of death. And that never happened. A lot of this stuff, it's the same old shit. get vaccine. I mean, that's all you hear, vaccine. It's the only thing that's going to save us. I mean, they're going on this hyper thing, and oh my goodness. It's like, calm down, holy cow. Good grief. This is something we're going to have to live with. No matter how many of us, we could be at 100% vaccine and boosted. And this is saying, even with the booster, you're better off if you had gotten it than gotten the booster. But you still need to get the booster. I mean, the mental gymnastics on this is just makes my head hurt. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm on YouTube. Come on over to Rumble. And I'll see you next video.